Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to open the trunk. So first, make sure the vehicle is unlocked, which you can do from your key. You can do from the center here with this button, and then on your key as well, there's a button here that'll pop open the trunk. And then also a button right here that will also pop the trunk. And for all these options to work, you're going to make sure there's power to your vehicle. If there's no power, it might not engage the release mechanism. But as you can see, it auto popped open. If that didn't work for some reason and it stayed mostly closed, there's also a button right here that you can push that's also electronically controlled. So you'd still probably need power to your vehicle to get this to open. But that's what the inside looks like where it was connected to this. And worst case scenario, from the inside of the trunk, there's a manual release here you can pull, which you can access from the inside by dropping these seats to access, which if you had to, you could just lower the seat and crawl back inside the trunk to get to. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.